habits is hard. Almost 80% of New Year's resolutions get ditched by February. It's like we get this huge burst of energy at the start of the year. We set a big goal, we create a big chunky habit to nail it, and yes, we are fully pumped in the first few days. But by week 2, the thrill starts to fizzle out. And by month end, poof, gone. Your motivation's gone, your routine is gone, and so is your shiny new habit. So here's the thing. When it comes to building habits, we rely too much on motivation. Oh, the number of times I have started a resolution and how I have failed gradually over time. I can write a whole journal about that. But then I started learning about it and I started to dig deep to understand why does this happen, what's the human nature behind it, and how to actually fix it. So the real magic trick to stick to your habit is not about gritting your teeth. It's actually about making that habit so easy peasy that it fits naturally into your day-to-day life. And this is where today's big idea comes in. I am talking about habit anchoring. And this word I've come across only this year, I tell you, and I was blown away because we always try to create a new goal and start a new habit, read and understand that it takes 21 days, it takes 61 days to do this habit, to come up to a routine and whatnot. Now, habit anchoring makes it a little easier for you. What happens is it wants you to link your new habit to an old one or to an existing habit. The concept originates from a behavior scientist called TJ Fogg, and he wrote in his book Tiny Habits. When talking about tiny habits, I use the term anchor to describe something in your life that is already stable and solid. The concept is pretty simple. If there's a habit you want, find the right anchor within your current routine to serve as your prompt, your reminder. So use your current habit, which would be your existing established habit, as a launch pad for a new one. How do we do that? Let's put habit anchoring in action. If making coffee is part of your routine, you can build a habit to read one of your subscribed newsletters while your coffee is brewing. You can scroll through the newsletter, you'll get the morning boost there. Other than a newsletter on phone, you can use Kindle or you can use a physical book. And there you have coffee getting ready and your reading habit integrated. Now, I wanted to adapt this technique. I had a time slot and I had 2 desired habits, and I have started doing it in a way and it's actually working. I want to read more books this year and I also want to get fit. I already have my cycle at home, so just to kickstart it, the level 1 I'm doing for establishing the habit is that I'm doing my cycle and I'm actually reading the book. Another habit anchoring that works really well is going for a long walk and doing long distance calls. I'm sure you guys have some friends and families who are living abroad and the long distance calls get a bit tricky here. What I do is I would go for a long walk and I'll call the person that I would like to talk to. So I'm getting my steps of the day, which is a physical boost, and I'm also talking to a friend or a family member. That's my mental boost. And who doesn't like fresh air? So these were the little examples, but you can always upgrade and challenge yourself with the kind of habit you already have and then adding a little bit of creativity. What is the desired habit and how you can incorporate those two. This video wasn't telling you a groundbreaking technique of doing something. It's actually very simple stuff, and from what I have learned over the years, it's always the simple little things and the simple little changes that you would want in your life that will eventually, in the long run, make a big difference. So with habit anchoring, what is important is that you have to first recognize your own routine and then find out what are your desired habits that you can fit in your existing routine, and start very small. The idea here should be that the new habit is going to be an extension of your day. So comment below and let me know if there are some habits that you would like to build, and if you're on a hunt for finding some friendly advice on habit building and just self-improvement, I'm actually thinking to work on a club or a community where we all can come together and help each other for a better life. This was it for today. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel and keep watching my videos on study abroad opportunities, study tools, and some habit building. Until my next one, bye.